So hi guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to make slime with AIM toothpaste, some white glue, and some food coloring and some salt. So let's get to it. Come on, I have to be quiet because my mom doesn't let me. My mom doesn't know that to me. Okay. So what you'll be needing is a spoon or something to mix with. Some glue, some AIM toothpaste, which I have to go get, and the salt. Put more than salt. If you don't have that, it won't work. And some food coloring. So food coloring is not optional. You have to have it. So let's get to it. I'll be right back. So guys, I am back with the stuff. I hid it under the bed. So AIM toothpaste and I have some scents and they're food coloring also. So I'm gonna get my purple one, and I have the Morton salt right here. So let's put that one there. I have a purple one, so let's get that there. I have a purple one right here. So I have pink, blue, and purple. Let's get to it. So guys, this is my drone. My brother is coming, so I have to act something. I'm talking about something else. So guys, this is my drone, and I like it because it's race car though, but it's a race car, and it's like a drone too. So the controller to it is right over here. The controller to it is right here. My drone, I'm always scared to fly in my house because while it's in my house, it goes all over the place. And when you turn it on, sometimes it like, when you try to race it, sometimes it goes all over the place, and even when you're not pushing it up to fly, it just does that automatically. So you have to use this one outside. My other one at my dad's house, it is like,
you can see me?
yeah, I can see your eagle shirt. I can see your hand right there.
Oh,
No, you can't see. Wait. No, you can't see. You can see yourself right
What's
there.
up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Sanaya with an Nene Queen.
I didn't say that in my videos. I didn't say Sanaya McCallum with a Nene Queen. Now I'm going to take out my thing. So mix up your stuff right now, and then you want to add some of your toothpaste. So I'll have to go put my toothpaste back in my bag. basic of this. I'm gonna put my phone aside because I don't want to get anything on it. Okay, so now take your thing. Take your colors. I'm probably going to put all of them in. Probably going to put the blue in and some purple in. So put some of that in. And you can put, I'm putting like 2 drops of pink in there. You don't have to. So it should look like this right now. So I'm going to add some blue to it. Never mind, my blue is all the way over there. Wait, no it's not, no it's not, no it's not, no. Okay, I might be adding some more of my purple in. So I added some more of my purple. So, my ink colored toothpaste was not purple. Well, it wasn't a dark blue. It was like bluish greenish. Now it is a dark blue. Mine is actually a dark blue now. I don't know what happened. So now, take your salt. So, take your salt and add some of it to your slime. And then, if you need to, add some more I'm just going to keep adding my salt, and then it'll come together soon. So just keep adding some salt to it, and it'll come together. So me adding salt to it is making it come together a lot now. And it's making it non-wet, but kind of still wet. So if you wish you would, then add some of your previous slime to this, and it'll make it be more slime. So guys, my slime is coming off the walls from this, so my slime is coming off the walls, so because I actually added a lot. You can add a lot of salt if you want to. And to make it more stretchy, you can add some more so don't need any more. So it made it more. So I have my previous slime right here. So my previous slime right here. So I'm going to take it. I'm going to this slime is not usual to this actual slime that I have on my hand. So this is from my previous slime. The only reason why it looks like it's not slime actually is because it's not used to this slime right here, or this mixture of this slime on my hands, so it looks like non-slimy. Well, it is slime, guys. Don't take it the wrong way. So I'm going to take a little bit more of this slime to this and see what's up, and add some of it to this slime though. So I added that to this. Let's see how it reacts to this. Let's see if this turns into something. So guys, this was a fail, guys. I'm sorry if for those of you who wanted slime, but the slime that I made, that I added to that slime that I was making in the title of this previous video, was I made it with baking soda, contact lens, and so bye guys, thank you so much for watching. In the title of this video, I wasn't making anything. I was testing. So if you guys are mad at me, then you guys can, but I'm still me. And if you want to unsubscribe, go ahead. I don't care, because I have more fans. I probably have more fans than you do, because you probably don't even make YouTube videos. So, bye guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, and comment if you like this video. And I know some of you guys didn't. I know some of you guys did, just to try it out. And see you guys soon.